Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and comment my video, and please hit that bell icon for future update. Guys, let's begin. Go to search and type URL YouTube. youtube.com, and right side click sign in, and click another account, and click create account here, and type your first name and last name, and your email address, and click next. So after that the Google will send you a verification in that email address that you put. So let me see my email address, and you need to type that code which you will get in your email address. And type that code and verify. And if you have a phone number, you can have here, and just put here date of birth, and year, your gender, and hit next, and scroll down, and these are all privacy and terms and conditions. You need to agree with that, and click I agree. Now finally your YouTube account is created now. Easy guys, easy. Right here you need to click on the right side here, click here, and you can see here YouTube channel name and your email or Gmail, and right here click my channel, and you can type your name and then first name and last name or anything else, and as a name of your channel, and create channel. Look at that. Now your home page looks like this, and you can upload your picture here, and upload here background right here, and click custom channel here, right here. Look at that. You can upload your picture here again, and you can upload anything else you want to have a wallpaper right here, and you can add like channel description. So finally you have created your account and you have 0 subscriber, so this is the way how you can create your YouTube channel and upload video and make money through it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.